Hello everyone. Welcome to WP Maps Pro. Are you looking for an easy and customizable way to add Google Maps to your WordPress website? Introducing WP Maps Pro, the ultimate WordPress plugin for Google Maps. With WP Maps Pro, you can easily create simple or advanced Google Maps on your WordPress website in a matter of seconds. So why should you choose WP Maps Pro as your go-to plugin for Google Maps on your WordPress site? Here are the top 3 reasons. Reason number 1. WP Maps Pro allows you to easily add custom markers, info windows, listings, filters, routes, and directions to create dynamic and interactive maps that truly engage your users. Reason number 2. With WP Maps Pro, you can display your posts, pages, custom post types, and custom fields directly on Google Maps. This gives your website visitors a highly engaging and interactive experience that will keep them coming back for more. Reason number 3. WP Maps Pro makes it incredibly easy to import and export your locations and maps with just one click. This saves you time and hassle while ensuring that your maps always look exactly how you want them to. Those are just 3 of the many reasons to choose WP Maps Pro. With a user-friendly dashboard and seamless integration with WordPress, WP Maps Pro is the perfect choice for anyone looking to take their Google Maps game to the next level. Try it today and see the difference for yourself. Want to see just how easy it is to create a map with WP Maps Pro? Let's take a quick tour. First, head to one of our examples and click on Export Live Demo. A configuration file will be downloaded. Next, go to the Import Maps page in your WP Maps Pro dashboard and upload the configuration file. Then, go to Manage Maps and copy the shortcode for your new map. Finally, paste the shortcode into your WordPress page editor, and voila! Your map is now live on your website. It's that easy. With WP Maps Pro, you can create beautiful and interactive maps for your website in just a few clicks. Try it today and see the difference for yourself. But don't just take our word for it. Hear what our satisfied customers have to say about WP Maps Pro. So what are you waiting for? Try WP Maps Pro today and take your website to the next level. Click the Buy Now button for instant access to your WP Maps Pro plugin download. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video.